Ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of setting up an e-commerce store from scratch? It's a common sentiment, isn't it? You're not alone. The process can be daunting. Imagine having to scour for unique products, crafting engaging content, not to mention the technicalities of integrating artificial intelligence for a seamless customer experience. It's a lot to juggle, and for many, these tasks can turn into insurmountable hurdles. But what if there was a way to bypass all these hurdles? Imagine having an e-commerce store generated for you, complete with added products, AI, unique articles, all built in just a few minutes. Let's walk through how this can be achieved using our service. First, you kick things off by choosing your niche. Then, our AI-powered system will generate a store tailored to your selected niche. It's as easy as clicking a button. From there, our system automatically populates your store with high-quality products relevant to your niche. But we don't stop there. We also integrate AI technology to help you manage your store efficiently. It's like having your own personal assistant, but without the added cost. And the cherry on top? Our service also generates unique SEO-optimized articles that drive organic traffic to your store, increasing your visibility and boosting your sales. You don't need to worry about technicalities or time-consuming tasks. We've got you covered. And voila! Your e-commerce store is ready to start making money. To summarize, setting up an e-commerce store doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember the hurdles we talked about earlier? They're easily overcome with a generated store. With our service, you get an e-commerce store filled with products, AI assistants, unique articles, and all of this can be ready in mere minutes. It's an opportunity to make your mark in the e-commerce world without the usual stress. Want to learn more about how you can make money with a generated e-commerce store? Follow the link in the description and start your e-commerce journey today.